We'll guide you through how to use Apple Pay on an Apple Watch. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient, as instead of having to get your phone out, you can simply go and tap with your watch and go and pay. So to go and get started, the best way of setting this up I found is by using your iPhone. So what you want to do is come onto it, and you want to go and open up the watch app like so. Go to the bottom left and click My Watch. Scroll down here and you need to go and find the option for Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, if you've already got a card added on your phone in Apple Wallet and for Apple Pay, all you need to do is press Add to the right. If you don't, you can come to the top and tap on Add Card. You need to enter in the passcode on your watch, which I can go and do now. Then we can press Add Card and we can go and start the process. It's really simple. We can tap on debit or credit card, press Continue, and we can go and add it. In this case though, I've got one on my phone, so we can go over to the right and go and press Add like this. What you then need to do is press Next, and it's going to go and set it up, and it's now been added on our Apple Watch. What I'll need to do is go and get a verification here. After you've verified it, then what you can do is you can go and enter the passcode on your watch, and you can then go and double tap the side button like so, and we can then hold it near the reader and go and pay.